Hello and welcome to another MCO update on silver. Yeah, we have seen now the silver chart reacted to our micro support zone. The overall context is unchanged, so I don't think we need to focus on the bigger picture today. Just want to rather keep it efficient, and you can see that the wave structure itself is unchanged. My preferred interpretation is still for a larger B wave to develop to the upside as per this blue scenario that we have talked about before. In this blue scenario, we are watching for an ABC structure to the upside to develop in a B wave bounce before then another C wave down occurs. Now, I cannot yet really confirm which wave 4 is it. Is it the smaller degree wave 4? Is it the larger degree wave 4? Both are corrective pullbacks in an uptrend. It's ugly. It's quite a nasty structure. You know that. But that's normal in a fourth wave. Fourth waves are deceptive. They are boring. Yeah, they can extend. They give fake outs. So it's just incredibly difficult to trade such a fourth wave, which I guess you've realized if you try to trade it. But I warned about it. Now, the preferred interpretation from an Elliott Wave point of view, and all I'm doing here, I'm giving you Elliott Wave structures. There are two that I'm tracking. The first one is the yellow one, in which we have a 3-wave move down in wave A. We had some, I haven't specifically labeled it, but it would be a very odd WXY expanded flat structure, or rather running flat structure. I don't want to get too technical, but basically this would be a B wave. And now we could be in a C wave decline. But really the structure here doesn't really look like a C wave decline yet. So it just, because that would be a 5-wave decline. I have 3 waves. I mean, it can still find a way lower, but it doesn't, I think I'm leaning more towards the blue count. And I have done so over the last few days. So there's no change there. In this blue count, the A wave bottomed here on the 28th of October on Tuesday. That's the A wave, we're now in a B wave, and the B wave itself is an A, B, C structure. The A wave topped there around the 31st of October. The B wave bottomed on the 5th of November. And the C wave to the upside could be unfolding right now. I've waited for signals. I've been waiting for signals that this C wave to the upside has actually started. Been waiting for it. And I mean, if we look at it, could have started. We have a small reaction to our micro support area. I mean, is it the most convincing start? Certainly not. But it could be a start. And if we really move up from here, we should reach at least $49.50. So we'll see. I'm not convinced yet, but let's see. Let's see if we can hold that swing low there. That's really important. The swing low from Wednesday the 5th. And in terms of microstructures, I mean, this can change quickly. But hey, we have a micro 5-wave move up here. From the low, from the Wednesday low to the high there, the Wednesday high. Actually, well, today, right? Yeah, genius. So yeah, we do have 5 waves up. 1, 2, and I mean, this could move up like that. It could move up like that. When we then talk about microstructures, it must hold this swing low there, which is located at $47.25. So yeah, I mean, I'm open to that idea. Would like to see this develop, which means maybe this is another small 1-2 setup in wave 3. We'll see. Next resistances, well, it's this area here around these previous swing highs, around $48.90, and then $49.50 to $50.20 are the next upside or upper resistance levels here. But overall, all of this is part of the 4th wave, and what I actually started to talk about earlier, I completely forgot about it. It really depends on how high this B wave goes, that will tell us, is it the smaller degree wave 4 or the larger degree? Because the higher the B wave, the higher the probabilities that we're gonna hold the $45 level. If we break below 45, it's the larger degree wave 4 with support between $41.83 and $44.36. So that's basically what we are currently tracking here. Not really much of a change, but a small reaction to micro support. It's getting a bit boring on the silver chart, but that is normal because we're dealing here with a fourth wave. So that's the update on silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in finding out more about silver and gold and our updated analysis every single day, then check out our membership. It's the Patreon link, very important, the Patreon link in the comment section or description rather. That takes you to our membership where you can then get additional updates. And if you're wondering, people send me messages regularly. If you're wondering where you can actually trade silver futures or so, we've partnered with XTB, a fully regulated global broker. They operate in most regions around the world, and they actually offer silver CFDs. You can see that here. They just type in silver here. And they're also silver stocks, but there is a silver CFD. They can be traded here. They closely mirror the GC the silver futures chart. I'm using here in the analysis, GC is gold. They also offer gold CFDs. So you can trade the same market moves without needing a separate futures account. There are over 10,000 instruments available, from Forex, commodities, indices to crypto, CFDs and ETFs. And you can even set up ETF investment plans. You can earn interest on your balance and trade with zero commission up to 100,000 euros per month. They also have a chart analysis tool because, trading view costs money if you use it without ads. They do have a tool here as well. The only exception is that right now they're not available for clients based in the US, but for most of our audience worldwide, it's accessible. So if you'd like to support this channel and the MCO project, where we post daily market updates on gold, silver, and more, you'll find the partner link pinned below. By signing up through that link, you're directly supporting what we're building here at MCO Global. Thanks so much. I wish you a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.